A very warm welcome to all the members of Catholic United Financial Credit Union and soon to be members of the Notre Dame Federal Credit Union family. I'm very excited to talk to you today about our upcoming merger. It is something that we are all very excited about, and hopefully you will be too as you learn more about what this transition entails. Our cultures are very much the same. We both come from a Catholic tradition, which means we treat everyone with respect and dignity and empathy. That does not mean we always say yes, but when we have to say no, we do it in a way that helps build for the future and leaves our members feeling much better. As part of the Notre Dame Federal Credit Union family, you're going to be exposed and given access to expanded services that you never had before. We'll be offering credit cards, mortgages, commercial loans, investment services, insurance, and trust services. I promise to you that we will respect the legacy of Catholic United Financial Credit Union. To that end, all the employees of the credit union will become partners at Notre Dame Federal Credit Union. You see, we don't call our employees, we call them partners. And that speaks a lot to how we view the relationship between management and the employees. We will keep the facility that we have in St. Cloud. We're going to modernize it a bit, put a new facade on it, make it look nice. And in St. Paul, we will be moving to newer locations, and that's only because the building is being sold. But the new building, wherever it is, we haven't decided that yet, will be bigger, more robust, and give you better access to the credit union in the Minneapolis-St. Paul market. Now, you always read and hear about credit unions merging and buying. There's a lot of that going on. This combination between our two entities is the first one we have done in over 40 years, which makes us very unique. Because unlike others, when we come together, it has to matter. There has to be a fit. There has to be a win-win. And I've got to tell you, Catholic United and Notre Dame Federal Credit Union, we are so similar. It's going to be a joy to come together. Hopefully the transition from your perspective will be smooth. One of the very positive things is that we use the same core operating system, which means online banking for you will be very similar, which is usually one of the things with other mergers can be very clunky. But for us, it should be very smooth. That should be a very positive as part of this. Again, when we merge and we come together, it has to be right. And when we met Andrea and your employees and some of the members that you have and your board, what a great fit, what a great bunch of folks. And we are very excited because now we can work together to serve the Minneapolis, St. Cloud, really all of Minnesota marketplace, and maybe even go into some other states from these offices here. We want to do as much as we can for as many people as we can. And being together, that makes that more and more doable. Before I say goodbye, I've got to talk to you honestly about this merger. I would love to tell you that this merger is going to come off without a hitch. That wouldn't be true, okay? We are trying so hard. We're testing things and all that, but with anything, there's going to be hiccups. There's going to be glitches. We both know that. But I promise you, when those things happen, we're going to address them quickly and correctly, and we'll be very transparent with you about what the problem is and how we're going to fix it, okay? That's just the truth. But at the end of the day, and it should be a short day, once we're totally together, I think we'll come out the other end both a better group of people and a better organization. So, as I said at the beginning, a warm welcome to the family, and I cannot wait to move forward with you, bringing you more services and more benefits and more things that make you proud to be part of our credit union.